Guys, this is it. If there was a wargaming mecha of an event, this is it.
My heart, with every breath, I got a fire, gotta let it out. Can you feel the power? Can you hear the sound? Can you feel the power? Can you hear the sound?
We get to see other players from other parts of the Philippines and camaraderie and sometimes saltiness.
Hello, open window.
So this year, I'm really excited to be a part of Northern Clash. So at least na-experience ko rin na makilala yung other players from Baguio community and other LGS as well. So it's a really good experience and really had fun interacting with everyone.
Masaya naman overall. Puro competitive yung mga deck ko.
It is what it is.
Oh, it is what it is.
Okay naman, enjoy. So,
Enjoy. Ano ka kahapon?
hindi. Na-enjoy naman.
Okay naman. As usual, winning is everything. ako yung pinakamagaling kahapon sa Duel Commander. I am the Duel Commander King.
Hello, future waving. Time to turn the pages. Tell me what you're waiting for. New beginning. Hello, open window. Shining through to my soul. I couldn't dream it anymore. New beginning.
Game, boss. Sarap lang. Ano kumapit pa ako? Sarap.
It's my new beginning. Hello, future waving. Time to turn the pages. Tell me what you're waiting for. Hello, open window. Shining through to my soul. I couldn't see.
Kung tutusin, kung if you've been playing Magic or yung every TCG na meron dito sa country, maliit lang kasi yung ano natin dito yung community natin. So, most probably, lahat ng mga makikita mo mga players dyan is somehow nakilala mo na sila from other TCGs or other time. So, ang sarap na makita mo ulit sila, makilala mo ulit, makakwentuhan mo ano na ba nangyari sa mga buhay-buhay nila. So, okay. Masaya.